like them. It sucks me out and think like them.
Okay guys, I have this mystery box I got from eBay. Actually, it's 3 of them. And I had to put it all in one box, and I'll show you the picture of how the box came. So, but he did individually wrap the stuff that was inside. But I paid $35 a piece for these. So, plus shipping. Now, the thing said, the first one should be worth $100. The second one should be like $150, and the third one should be $250 value. By looking at this box, I'm pretty well saying bullshit, but we're going to see. We're going to see. This is box number 1. There's supposed to be $100 worth of stuff in here. Okay? In as bad a shape as that box was in, there's no way I would have made it to me if he hadn't individually wrapped it. So that's good. But I don't know about all this. Okay, first I'm getting this. And it's some kind of name brand. I don't know what the name is. And it has $32.25 on it. Which it very well could be. Who knows? These things vary in price so much. And this is the brand. It's, how do you... Giavani Bernini. And you got a place for your phone and your cards and everything you need. I mean, it's probably, and it's got a magnetic clasp. I mean, that's a good wallet, yeah. You know, it's a good thing to grab and go. And it does have the strap to make it a crossbody if you want. Some people do, some people just use the wristlet. But it does have a strap for a crossbody. And okay, that says it's $32 on it, so I'm sure that's the price he took. And this is Maika. This is what it looks like. It looks like just a little change purse. And I'm sure. But I'll look up the prices on these, just out of curiosity. And then we got this. Third one. And it says CK on it. It's got a Macy's tag. And it says BUPC. And it says Calvin Klein on it. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So, okay, that probably, you know, it probably was close to 100 anyway. I mean, it probably would have been the retail value. I don't know what this says. It says BUPC. It says $56. But it was also handwritten, $56. So who knows? Okay, I'll say, yeah. Yeah, that was close to a $200. Now this one's a box, and it's heavy. This is number 2. This is kind of heavy. So we'll see. And he does ask if you want a male or a female. I didn't say either because I didn't really care. But he did say on there that he didn't have as many male, you know, for men. So just bear that in mind, because he was straight up about that. And this is, who knows? Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. It's all-in-one karaoke. And I don't know what these go for these days. But it's an all-in-one karaoke machine. It's lightweight, portable, vibrant light show, HD audio. And believe it or not, my grandkids used to love doing this with their one uncle, so they may want this. So it probably, I'll check and make sure it's worth $150. Well, we'll see. Because you never know. You never know. We'll see. And then number 3, this is supposed to be the killer. This is supposed to be $250, and it's very heavy. And it's in a box. You see how he did it? So I know which is which was nice. Okay. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. I realize it's going to be a fast video, because usually they, you know. I saw it and I was curious. And I thought, well, maybe other people are too. And this is just one box in here. So who knows what the... Okay. Now this right here, I would say depends totally on the brand. If it's worth it or not. This is a projector. So... it totally depends on the brand, but it's a home theater projector with remote control and foldable screen. So that'd be something else the kids would like this summer too, probably sitting out back, you know, getting to watch a movie, calming down for the night. So I will go ahead and price this stuff, and we'll see if they came out with what they were supposed to come out with. But all in all, I'd say I'm actually more pleased with this box than I have been with a lot of them. You know, I mean, more stuff that I can personally use is always good. So anyway, come on back, like, subscribe, and I'll tally this up. Bye!